Dear friends, in this short video, we would like to highlight some improvements that Flowtrack has made in the new generation of conveyors. To reduce shipping costs, it's now created partially assembled in a box with only zero point 0.3 cubic meter, 43 by 35 by 14 inches. Final assembly can be made in less than 10 minutes and all items required such as screws and tools are included. Power and SMIMA cables are already assembled. The total weight is now around 115 pounds and it's very stable and rigid. The support legs are positioned to provide easy side access to equipment pre and post connected. The access to electric panel is made from the front, allowing maintenance without need to remove it from the line position.